Hello and welcome to the on-demand course on conservative treatment in pediatric dentistry. My name is Juliane Keller-Erb. I am a pediatric dentist, and today I would like to share as many tips and tricks from my daily practice with you as possible. For me, conservative treatment includes not just the filling treatment therapy itself, but also other aspects and techniques. Of course, we will talk about materials and substances, crown preparations and various treatment options, but treatment also consists of pain management and behavior management. And this is indeed a very essential part, if not the more important part. And that's why I want to address it very much. We will discuss the pharmacological methods of behavior management and the non-pharmacological methods. I would like to incorporate endodontics as well, because it truly is the foundation for long-term, high-quality and comprehensive care and is widely regarded as essential in dental practice. Since we want to treat each and every primary tooth ideally only once. Additionally, I would like to address molar incisor hypomineralization, as it is indeed a topic that presents many dentists with challenges in their daily practice. I was able to acquire my comprehensive pediatric dental knowledge during my training at the Clinic for Orthodontics and Pediatric Dentistry at the Center for Dental Medicine at the University of Zurich. Additionally, I worked for many years as a senior physician in this department. In 2014, I opened my practice for child and teen dentistry in Zurich-Seefeld. So I am indeed truly and absolutely a practitioner with heart and soul. And I would absolutely like you to take full advantage from this today, from my everyday knowledge, which you can integrate into your daily routine directly tomorrow or whenever you watch the course. In this sense, I would suggest let's get started, sit back and enjoy and relax with the course.